How to get monetized on YouTube in 30 days. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to e-commerce know-how. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get monetized on YouTube in 30 days. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. 5 billion YouTube videos are viewed every day across the world. YouTube is as common as ever, with users who spend an average of 40 minutes per YouTube sessions. In line with this digital transitions, the next thing you need to learn is how to make money on YouTube. All you need is a video editing app and a computer, so you can get started on YouTube. Making money on YouTube is no longer limited to a very few platinum artists or major influencers. There are plenty of ways for people regularly to make money from YouTube. However, in your strategy, you need to be more strategic. Please continue to watch to find out what more you have to do to achieve this. 1. Become a YouTube partner. This video is all about how you can monetize your YouTube video by becoming a YouTube partner and start producing revenue. There are 4 golden laws of making money on YouTube, and they are: you need 1,000 viewers on your YouTube site. Your video have produced 4,000 watch hours over the last 12 months. You agree with all YouTube rules and guidelines. You have to set up an AdSense account. Commonly known as the YouTube Partner Scheme, or YPP for short, you need to fulfill all 4 criteria before your channel is approved. Let's start with boosting your subscriber on YouTube. This one is fairly easy, no matter how long it takes for you to get that 1,000 users. Once you meet the mark, you've met the criterion. As well as 1,000 viewers, you still need 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos over the last 12 months. 2. Prep your channel for monetization. Before you hit that enable button to monetize your channel, there are a few things you can do to make sure that your channel has been the best possible chance of getting approved for monetizations. It can take up to 30 days for YouTube to review your channel, and you have to wait an additional 30 days to apply if your application is denied. So don't take any chances. You want revenue to start coming in as soon as possible. One of the most common reasons that YouTube doesn't approve monetizations applications is duplications. Now, let's talk about how to avoid this issue. When using your stock footage or audio, make sure that you have all the rights license in place. If you're using Storyblocks contents, this is very easy because each audio or video clip comes with a license that you can download at any time. It's important to know where to have and understand these licenses even if you're not monetizing your channel. 3. Easy steps to enable monetizations on YouTube. You have reached the required number of subscribers and watch hours, and you have checked your channels for red flags. Now what? It's time to learn how to enable monetizations on YouTube. First, click on YouTube Studio in the drop-down after you click on your icon in the top right corner of your screen. Second, once you're in YouTube Studio, find the channel menu on the left side of your screen and click on Monetizations. Third, finally, in the monetizations window, click Start. Once you have done this, you have accepted the YouTube Partner Program's terms. You just have to sign up for AdSense or connect to an existing account. This is what ultimately allows your channel to earn money. YouTube will then prompt you to a set of monetizations preferences. Don't worry too much about this step. You can change your monetizations preferences later and customize it so that you're only monetizing certain videos. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss out on any amazing video from us. Bye-bye.